You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this American professional football cornerback, Seattle Seahawks. If you want to learn more names from the NFL that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Riq. It's an unusual spelling, but it's the same pronunciation as Riq, as in R-I-C-K. Riq Woolen. Woolen. How to pronounce Riq Woolen pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.